Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to another video. It's Golitech, and today we want to talk about the new CVE, which is for Next.js. So there's a vulnerability in this framework, and we want to see how we can exploit it. So let's get started. As you can see here, this is the description, and this is the CVE ID. And I'm on National Vulnerability Database, right? So as you can see, there is a vulnerability in React framework for building. Next.js is a React framework for building full stack web applications. And prior to these two versions, it's possible to bypass the authorization checks within the Next.js application if the authorization check occurs in the middleware. So middleware is a place that we can process the request before the request reaches to the API. So we can do some logical process on that, such as checking the authorization. And when the authorization in Next.js is happening there, then we can bypass this security check. As you can see, it's extremely critical. 9.1 is the score, and this is the vectors of this CV. And for more information, there are also some links here that you can check there. So let me get it here. So now I'm in TryHackMe lab, and we already have a vulnerable application to this CVE. So let's see how we can exploit it, right? So as you can see here, there is a path on this web application, so which is protected, and we want to see how we can reach there by misusing this vulnerability. So as you can see, I can click there, but I cannot access there, and I want to see how we can bypass this security check. So the solution is we need just to add this header to our request, and then we can bypass this security check. So just let me turn on my perp suite and intercept it on. Just let me create a request. So I have my request here, perp suite, and okay, let me get it there. I want to go to protected, and I need to add another header there, so value also should be middleware. So as you see, I'm using the same request, just changing the destination and also adding the middleware header. And now when I forward this one, as you see, I could bypass that one. That's authorization check, and now I can see that's protected page, you see. So this is so easy to exploit this vulnerability. So please make sure that you have updated and upgraded your web applications and all the applications that you are using this framework. Yeah, so it's too easy to bypass it, to exploit it, and as you saw, it's extremely critical. So it has 9.1. I hope you enjoyed that. So take care, update your servers and applications, and have fun. Bye bye.